It's easier to wait and let someone else take the lead. But that's not us. We see what needs to be done and charge ahead. We believe in innovation, in progress, in greatness. Doing the right thing for the right reason. When we look at the future of sustainable transportation and see opportunities to be safer, more fuel efficient, and more driver focused, there's only one thing to do. Create the truck of tomorrow from the ground up. The result is the all-new Volvo VNL, totally reimagined and improved in every way. Once again, changing everything. The all-new Volvo VNL is one of the most connected trucks in North America. But to us, connectivity is more than lowering costs and improving productivity. It has the power to potentially help save lives. In the event of a rollover or airbag deployment, eCall can notify rescue services automatically, supplying them with GPS location and other important information. eCall can also provide a callback number to the cab for emergency services. The system operates independent from the driver's personal cell phone. Feel safe. Our connectivity is here to let you live your life freely. Connecting lives, connecting people. You don't become the brand known for safety by playing it safe. Safety is at the heart of all we do. It pushes us to challenge ourselves. Our solutions make it easier for drivers to avoid accidents, reduce injury risk, and make the road safer for all. We continue to believe in the power of next-generation safety technologies and their ability to help drivers prevent accidents before they occur. On our latest VNL, we introduce a proprietary active safety system that takes integration to a whole new level. Greater visibility gives drivers more time to react, further reducing the risk of collision. We go to great lengths to advance our zero-accident vision, yet recognize the need to protect drivers in the event of an accident. The all-new VNL is reinforced with leading-edge and often Volvo-exclusive safety technologies. We are the pioneers of safety, and this is what pioneers do. Drive progress. Maximize your productivity with a Volvo service contract. With a network of approximately 400 certified uptime dealerships and thousands of service locations across North America, we're always there when you need us. The more you know about your vehicle, the better decisions you can make. Remote diagnostic analysis of critical fault codes leads to immediate communication and recommendations. Remote programming via over-the-air updates can be handled during a regular stop en route. Adaptive maintenance is based on actual operating conditions. With Assist, you have the power to monitor vehicle status, review estimates, approve repairs, and communicate directly with a dealer. Volvo Action Service offers 24/7 assistance in the US and Canada. One phone call connects you with uptime experts to manage service, schedule repairs, and more. One login, one holistic view. Volvo Connect is the interface for all your services from Volvo Trucks and your digital key to a more productive, more profitable business. That way, you can do what you do best: load and deliver. We define ourselves by our ability to reach the seemingly unattainable. In our most daring effort to date, we've set a new standard for what a fuel-efficient truck can be. The aerodynamic improvements on the all-new Volvo VNL will help you significantly increase fuel efficiency. Our design innovations create up to an incredible 10% improvement in fuel efficiency. Are we perhaps the most fuel-efficient truck on the road? In a word, yes. Drivers deserve the best. That was our guiding principle in designing the living environment of the all-new Volvo VNL. You'll appreciate the big changes, providing our most comfortable ride ever. And you'll like the little things too. Every improvement was made with one purpose: to make a driver's job easier. Our new distinct trim levels incorporate eye-catching design that complements the cabin's innovative use of space. The sleeper area is quieter, more comfortable, and packed with amenities. Everything where you want it and how you need it, because that's how we designed it. Whether it's for pre-trip inspection or general maintenance, drivers love a truck that's easy to work around. Just a simple operation that lets them quickly get back to logging miles. Life behind the wheel is simply better in a VNL. There's only one constant in the world: change. For some, change can be scary. For those who lead, it's an invitation to drive progress, to sustainably shape the world we want to live in. At Volvo, we've always accepted that invitation to lead the way on transport solutions, though we've never waited for one. We seek out problems because we love the purposeful design that solves them. We search for good enough because that's how you discover better than it needs to be. We embrace different, not for different's sake, but for the innovation it inspires. If a truck can be more efficient or a design more sustainable, we won't settle. If a driver can feel more at home 3,000 miles away from it, we're their welcome mat. If the safest stretch of road can be a single scratch safer, we'll make it so. If a service contract can feel more like a partnership, we'll be there for every mile. Because creating purposeful change in our trucks and our industry is nothing new. The next generation of VNLs is just like the old one, really, improved at every turn.